Hey there, Grouch here. Now with my new workbench view, we can actually start building some of the things that have been on my list of things to build, and hopefully the video quality is good enough anyways that you can follow along if it helps you, or it's at least an informational little bit of video for you. So today what we're going to be doing is building one of my KV4P radio modules. So let's get right into it. Here we have the version 1.7B board, and huge shout out to Chris Bricker for doing this group buy for Toads. I did test the board just by plugging it into the computer, just to make sure that lights flash and it's at least looking like it's doing the things that it should do. So we shouldn't have any issues with this board. So nice and easy here. Step one is to line up the pin headers with the pin holes, and push the board down. So there we go, all nice and in there tight. And now we're going to do a bit of soldering here, and so I use my my little helping hands, bring these guys out. In case you were wondering, we're using the KV4P little USB powered soldering iron. Really like this. Works well. It's nice that I can power it from a little battery pack. I don't have to have it plugged into the wall all the time. And now let's see how bad of a job it is. All right, and just like that, now the soldering part is done. So it's not pretty. It certainly is not pretty, but we are all soldered up. All right, so according to the directions, once you've soldered the board on, then you can put it in the case. And I guarantee the camera is not going to show this case as well as it should, but Chris Bricker did an amazing job doing a custom green holographic case for me. It's pretty cool. It shines and glistens in the light normally. It doesn't want to show up on the camera, I guess. There, you can kind of see it by my thumb. The glitter and glisten in it. It's really cool. It's really, really cool. There we go. Yeah, there we go. See, yeah, you can see it a little bit. So there we go. So we got our case. Stick it in here. Gentle little side tab. Don't break anything. Alright, so there we go. Now we're in the case. Got an antenna here. What is it? 138 to 174 megahertz, or 400 to 520 megahertz. So it's dual band, 2 meters, 70 centimeters. So it should work fine for this. Move it on here. Little USB-C to C U-turn here. Not sure 100% if I should take this phone case off or not. But take the phone case off anyway, just to be sure. Okay, now according to the directions, all you got to do is launch the app, and the very first time, allow, that it would update the firmware. It's not found. Is it plugged in? Yes, it is plugged in. Oh, maybe try a cable. So let's try one more cable. See if we can't figure this out. Just goes to show, even when you got all the pieces that you think you need, sometimes you don't have the pieces that you think you might need, or you think you actually need, or you actually do need. I don't know. I guess we'll pick this up when I get another cable.
Until 1 week later.
I finally found a cable that works with an adapter. So here we go. Choose an app. Yes, that's this app. Oh boy, we're doing something. We're flashing. All right. I'm gonna have to figure out a more permanent cable for this, but there we go. We're connecting and we're flashing, so we're doing something good. Might actually get this finished. Hello, testing. Hello, testing. Hello, testing. Hello, testing. Oh, all right. Volume. Hello, testing. Testing, testing. Well, that's a frickin' win. Hello, testing. Testing, testing. N1OG. Testing. All right, that's pretty cool. Now I just got to figure out how to attach it to the phone with a cable that's gonna not be in the way all the time. But how about that? Now my phone is in HT. Cool. Well, did you do this build? If you did, let me know in the comments below how it went for you. And I don't know. Hope you got something good out of this. It's a learning experience, as all things in ham radio usually are. It's a learning experience. It's always something fun to play around with something new and try and figure it out. And so I'm going to continue to play with it and try and make it better and improve from where we're at, so that I can at least get it back in the case, get the case attached, and we'll see how it goes. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you got something good out of this, and I hope that the video quality was all right for you. You know, I'm learning, you're learning, we're learning together. So thanks for being here, and I'll catch you on the next one.